My name is Timothy Lemucci. I'm an attorney, and I practice law in Bakersfield, California. This is my 54th year of practice, and I've been in this location 15 years. A young man was driving his vehicle and drinking a milkshake, and as he approached an intersection with a red traffic signal, he spilled his milkshake and reached down to pick it up and clean it up, and inadvertently went through the red traffic signal and hit my client, Sergio Barrera, who was then age 52. It was a very high impact collision. Sergio's vehicle caught on fire. He had a concussion, some spinal injuries. The case went on for 4 years, and eventually it did go to trial. Well, it was a complicated medical. It was a traumatic brain injury case. It's a subject that, frankly, is kind of boring for jurors. One of the problems is that the client looks fairly normal. You don't see anything about him that would lead you to believe that he's got damage, but the testing definitely demonstrated that he was impaired. As a result of that impairment, he lost his job that he'd had for 25 years at a very good company, making very good income and benefits. That was one of the problems in the case, too, that he did go back to work for a period of time after the collision, and was able to work fairly well, but eventually came to the point where he couldn't do the job. So that was a difficult obstacle for the jury to overcome. Why didn't he stay there? Why didn't he continue to work? Well, the doctor said he really shouldn't. It was dangerous for him to be there, and he didn't feel that he could continue to be there. We relied on the California Highway Patrol officer, who was a very good witness. So it was a case of liability, and in fact the defense admitted liability. As far as our experts were concerned, we used a neuropsychologist for the traumatic brain injury. We used an orthopedic surgeon, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon for the spinal injuries to the neck. And we used a vocational expert as far as his ability to work in certain capacities. And then in order to project future loss of earnings and income, we used an economist. UK Global prepared one of their surgical animations showing the cervical discectomy infusion, which is very effective, and it's an excellent tool for the orthopedist to use to explain to the jury, number one, what the injury was, and number two, what he was going to do to correct the injury.